Alright, so for this one you're going to do a C sharp minor bar chord. So you just bar across the high E through the A in the 4th fret. Set your middle finger down on the 5th fret of the B, ring finger 6th fret of the D, pinky right underneath that on 6th fret of the G. You do a strum pattern like that would probably work. So I'm just going down, up, and then a palm mute, then up, down, up. So down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. Then you're going to go to B major 7. So I was playing it like this. You can play one up here. So index finger 7th fret of the low E. Then your ring finger is going to set here on the 8th fret of the D, pinky 8th fret of the G, middle finger 7th fret of the B. And you kind of mute out the A and the high E string. So you're just getting, and you can do that same strum pattern, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. So you got you could also try a B flat, or sorry, a B major 7 down here. So index finger 2nd fret of A, ring finger 4th fret of D, middle finger 3rd fret of G, and then your pinky 4th fret of B. Alright, so I think that's all that happens in this song. So if you get those 2 chords down, you should be able to play it. If you like this lesson, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.